Did you know research suggests that your mouth may be the gateway to the health of your body? That's why it is so vital to maintain the health of your teeth and gums. We know your dental needs are sometimes an unexpected investment. That's why we offer a variety of affordable payment options to ensure your dental health gets the attention it deserves. So, whether you're preventing problems down the road, taking care of an emergency, or planning the smile of your dreams, we have the financial solution to fit your lifestyle. In most cases, you can be approved instantly. So don't hesitate to ask any of our experienced team members about our affordable payment options today. Remember, taking care of problems now can save time and money in the future.